Attacking the bandits will be a mistake. Negotiate with them instead.
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí Gumi sọ? Gumi sọ wípé tí ẹ bá dójìjà àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí wàhálà lẹ̀ ń wá. Wàhálà ńlá ló máa tún ṣẹlẹ̀ tí USA ìjọba Amẹ́ríkà tó bá dójìjà àwọn aráabí àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí. Ó ní wàhálà ńlá ló máa fà á lẹ̀. Ó ní ohun tó yẹ kí ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ṣe ni pé kí wọ́n fi àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí yìí kí wọ́n fi wọ́n sí bọ́jẹ́ẹ̀tì. Bí wọ́n ṣe ń gbé bọ́jẹ́ẹ̀tì ètò ìṣúná owó Nàìjíríà náà bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ a máa ṣe lè a máa ṣe subsidy o a máa ṣe gbá a máa ṣàwo. Ó ní kí wọ́n máa fi àwọn Fúlàní náà kí wọ́n máa fi wọ́n sí bọ́jẹ́ẹ̀tì. Èmi kọ́ mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o, Gumi òun ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Attacking the bandits will be a mistake. Negotiate with them instead. The causes of all this chaos is because they are not included in the budget. So USA attacking them will cause more chaos in the country. Right? The best solution is negotiation with them, and they should be included in the budget. And with news, only negotiation can solve these issues. Give them whatever they want for peace to reign.
IPOB is attacking the police, is attacking the army, is attacking INEC, government institutions, killing our men in service. And the herdsmen are kidnapping children not to kill them, to get money. So how can you compare somebody who's killing our gallant men in the armed forces directly, attacking them, to somebody who's kidnapping children to make money, not to kill them? Look, we need some fairness in what we are doing.
Ó ní pé àwọn IPOB ṣe ń gbọ́ ó ní àwọn IPOB ó ní wọ́n ń pa àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n ń pa sójà wípé ìwà táwọn IPOB ń wù kò dá o. Gumi ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ní wọ́n ń pa àwọn sójà wọ́n ń pa ọlọ́pàá ó ní àwọn Fúlàní tẹ́rọ́rìsì darandaran yìí láǹpẹ̀ ní Boko Haram àwọn arábí ó ní pé àwọn yẹn ó ní wọ́n ń jí èèyàn gbé pamọ́ gbàwó ó ní wọn kì í pa àwọn sójà wọn kì í pa ọlọ́pàá. Bóyá kẹ́ ẹ bá rán Gumi létí wípé ní ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi mélòó lọ́pàá general ọ̀gá àgbà ológun kan lọ́pàá. Ẹ jẹ́ àtẹ̀síwájú. Fọ́nrán kan ló jáde yìí o. Ìkan nínú àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí tó jẹ́ bíi olórí wọn ohun tí ó sọ ó pọ̀ o nítorí pé èmi ò gbọ́ Haúsá àmọ́ bóyá Fúlàní ló fi sọ bóyá Haúsá èmi ò mọ̀ àmọ́ màá fi fọ́nrán ẹ̀ màá fi léde gbọ́ ohun tó sọ àmọ́ lẹ́yìn tó sọ̀rọ̀ ìtàn kété tó sọ tán tó jù sí ayélujára lórí Instagram gbogbo ẹ̀ dàrú báyìí ló jù síbẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tó ju ọ̀rọ̀ yìí síbẹ̀ tán Jọ́sádé tó ọmọ ààrẹ Tinubu ó dá lóhùn ó fèsì àmọ́ èsì tí Jọ́sádé tó ń fọ̀ ibẹ̀ lẹ́ máa ti mọ nǹkan tí arákùnrin sọ ẹ tẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ wo arákùnrin yìí tí ó jẹ́ lára àwọn adarí agbésùnmọ̀mí tá à ń pè ní Boko Haram kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí òun náà sọ ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá gba Hausa ẹ bá wa tú palẹ̀ ìtumọ̀ nǹkan tó ń sọ.
To an tashi kowa da kwalarsa an ɗauki 'yan makaranta a Kebbi Sites an ɗauki 'yan makaranta a Neja Sites nan gaba sojoji za mu ringa kama muna ɗaukowa muna kai su a daji muna da ɗauriya diba lambobin soja Najeriya nan gaba za mu ɗauki gwamna za mu ɗauki shugaban ƙasa za mu ɗauki sauransu ba ruwanmu da an kama kowa gwamnati ba ta iya mama maganin ku komi koma ma Allah ya maku maganin komi ya share maku kukanku ƙato ba zai iya ba an tashi na gaishe ku mutanen social media ina maku barka da warhaka.
Good evening, fellow citizens of Nigeria. Please, I want you all to watch this video. Babu Hausa, wallahi, Babu Hausa, but I've told somebody to translate what this guy is saying in this video. So, the confidence that these bandits have now, that they will be doing TikTok live, IG live, they will be calling live, they will be doing press release. Number one question, and the only reason why I want to respond to this guy, Shebi, they told us that all of us should register our SIM card with NIN. So, does it mean that these bandits, their SIM cards are not registered with NIN, to the point that the government cannot help us to trace the location where they are using this thing to call? Number two, according to what has been flying all over the media, that the government has told them, that the government will tell them that they should wait for instruction before any army will attack the bandits. If not so, obviously, this thing has become an economic business value for some people, because I don't know why I will see the person that wanna gun me down and I cannot gun the person down. I will first receive instruction. So according to what is all over the media, the Nigerian army are protecting the bandits instead of protecting us. Bros, Babu Hausa will lie. Babu Hausa. But what you say you want to do, that you people will start coming for our politicians, make una do them fast. Because this kidnapping, these videos that we see has caused mental torture to us, to the point that somebody like me, this it, I have to go and collect prescription. This is my name on the prescription. I cannot sleep. I've told my doctor that it's like I'm depressed, I'm having mental problem for them to give me this. So we have gotten to the point where when we see all these things, that our own children are being kidnapped, we have this mental disturbance. Listen, if you hit a common police officer, JAGILEGBO will come and tell you that you have beat the whole police system. So if you kidnap one child, whether that child is mine or not, you have attacked all mothers. So you can imagine the mental trauma that we are going to. Walai, make you do do quick, carry our politicians. If you need their address, put your TikTok handle. People will forward march the same way they have been tagging Donald Trump to be fast. We will give you their information. Nigerians will give you. Me, I don't know. They will give you their information. Hold our politicians. They are the ones putting us in this problem. Hold all of them. Don't pity them. As a matter of fact, don't ask for ransom. Do what you like to our politicians. Because anything they be, we don't know anything. We are only innocent citizens. And unfortunately, we are Nigerians. But we are the ones suffering. Now, Inspector General of Police, Mr. Gbetokun, I respect you. You see those withdrawal, those police that presidency, my father told you to withdraw. Please, the ones in body law, withdraw them. All the security following our ministers and commissioners and senators, withdraw them. They don't need any protection because they are the ones causing all this trouble. You people who sit down in the Senate, you cannot deliberate on how to solve the problem of Nigeria. What we have been hearing for the past one year is the one Akpabio touch somebody breast. They will say Akpabio want to sleep with somebody. More important tribal matters have been on ground. They bought $1 billion of car for president's wife. They are renovating National Assembly. They are renovating presidential villa. This 2025, we have not heard anything concerning the important attack on the people that are disrupting security and peace of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So, okay, madam, Funani, Yazo, Kia, carry them. They are very useless to us. Carry all the politicians. They are very, very useless. Carry them. The kind of money the bandits need, politicians, they have it in their hand. So all these ones that you are carrying, going to church, kidnapping innocent children in school, you are just suffering us. We are not the people you should face. Face those people. Bundle them. Carry them. Do anything you want with them. Any minister where you see, we will help you to print them. Everybody should print photos of their commissioner, senator, ministers, and let the bandits carry them. Because I don't know how bandits is operating with SIM card, NIN, and our government cannot trace them. And you people be talking of negotiating. They should bring $3 billion. They should bring $3 billion. Now, as you are this is the time when people should set up state police. Amotekun, you people should lift the ban that you put on Sunday Igboho. Let Igboho come and help us. All the Yoruba powers. Somebody will be kidnapping our children. You people have made life miserable for us. Carry them. They are very useless to us. Very useless. Carry them. Anything you want to do with them, do it. Now then God find political pressure. Not send anybody go anywhere. If now my papa picking where the APC, carry them. All of them. They just make life miserable for us. Every day you wake up, you come to the internet, you will see case of kidnap, case of this. We cannot even think or read or live in peace again just because of a failed system. Hey, Awusa, carry them, carry our politicians. If now what you talk to that video, everybody should be, you know how to enter Abuja. Make una go there. Don't forget weekend.
AY comedian, AY comedian, adẹ́rìn pòṣónú, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni AY comedian. Ó ti fi gbé ta, ó ní orí, ó ti ń ta òun, ó ní orí ń ta òun, ó ní torí wípé ìrànlọ́wọ́ tóun ṣe, ó lóun náà ní bùkátà òun, ó ní lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà táwa yìí, wípé kéèyàn kan máa gbọ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́ ènìyàn, kó máa sọ pé òun gbọ́ bùkátà àwọn ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn lọ́wọ́ táwa yìí. Ó ní bọ̀dí kò tẹ́ pẹ̀sí o, ó ní ó máa ara ló máa ti mọ̀, ara ń tọ̀hún ó máa mọ̀ wípé torí pé current situation Nàìjíríà yìí kò help o, kò sówó ń gbòòrò o, wípé ìwọ̀nba tó ń bá ṣe ẹ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ o, pé kí n ṣe pé bóyá òun náà wo ìwọ̀nba tó ń bá ṣe ń gbà pé torí pé òun fúnra ara òun náà ní òun fúnra ara òun náà ní ètò ìṣúná owó tóun náà ń dojúkọ lábẹ́lẹ̀. ẹ má fi sọ̀rọ̀ sóhun pé ohun èèyàn burúkú bó ṣe rí nẹ̀ ó fi gbé ta oríta kọ́lọ̀ ń ṣàánú gbogbo àwọn tó ń ràn yàn lọ́wọ́ àwọn olólùfẹ́ wọn èèyàn tó ń ràn yàn lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́ o Ọlọ́run á ràn wá náà lọ́wọ́ àwọn táwọn náà ṣe ìkan àbí kejì Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí torí pé kò rọrùn o kò rọrùn ẹ jà tẹ̀síwájú. Ekweremadu former senate president wa former senate president àwọn ìjọba Nàìjíríà wọ́n rán àwọn aṣojú wọ́n rán wọn lọ sí orílẹ̀-èdè UK o ìwé ẹ lọ́bẹ̀ ẹ sọ fún wọn wípé ṣẹ́rí ọmọ tó ṣẹ̀ yìí tó wà ní àkóló yìí mú wá ó ṣe nǹkan tó dá o máa jẹ́ ká máa gbé bọ̀ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ká dá sẹ́ríà fún ká fi àjẹ́ dáadáa ká nǹkan tó ṣe yìí ó kù díẹ̀ ká tó ẹ jọ̀wọ́ rẹ̀ fún wa ẹ fún wa ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ́n ní pé má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ àmọ́ ìjọba UK ní pé no rárá wọ́n fárígá wọ́n fẹ́ kékọ́ ní pé no wípé bó ṣe wà lọ́dọ̀ wa yìí ibí yìí tó ti ṣẹ̀ ibí yìí náà ló ti jẹ̀yà rẹ̀ ó ní fún yín àyàndá fún yín pé bí ẹ̀ ń gbé lórílẹ̀‐èdè rárá ẹ fún wa ẹ wo bó ṣe wà yìí ó máa kúnlẹ̀ tó máa káwọ́ sókè tó máa dejú ẹ̀ ó ti yé yín tó máa torí pé ó jẹ́ àwọn alágbára àwọn tó jẹ́ olóṣèlú ní ìgbà tí wọ́n fi kíní ìléde lórí ibi wò ẹ wá gbọ́ wọn kan tí àwọn ènìyàn sọ ẹnu nǹkan lẹ́yìn ti gbọ́ ẹgbọ́n tárábìnrin yìí sọ ẹgbọ́n tó lè náà sọ ẹgbọ́n tí wọ́n sọ èmi ò gbọ́ òyìnbó bóyá ìjẹ́ bá gbọ́ òyìnbó òun lọ́ fi sọ wípé ẹjẹ́ àṣe dáadáa ṣé olóṣèlú kan lè kó sákóló wọn ní ìlú òkèèrè kó ràánú gbà àbí kí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà kó sọ̀rọ̀ tó dáńpa rẹ̀ àbí ṣó ṣeé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n yàrá ṣe àríkà bàbá rẹ̀ gùn ihun tó bá ṣe náà ni àwọn èèyàn fi sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè UK wọ́n fárígá wọ́n náà wọ́n yọ̀ǹda rẹ̀ o wọ́n náà wọ́n yọ̀ǹda rẹ̀ sẹ́ gbogbo ẹjọ́ tẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ wọn yẹn ó ní ẹjọ́ tó lẹ́sẹ̀ lẹ́nu ó ní ẹ máa lọ yọ̀ǹda rẹ̀ bí ló máa ti ṣe kété dúró ṣe rántí nǹkan tí arákùnrin ṣe wọ́n ní wípé ó gbé ọmọ kan lọ sí òkè òkun láti yọ ẹ̀yà ara rẹ̀ pààrọ̀ fọ́mọ títí ẹ̀ tó ń ṣàìsàn ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n fi kàn nìyẹn ẹjọ́ tó sì ń jẹ́ nìyẹn ẹjọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n tó ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ lọ́hùn òun nìyẹn torí pé ó fẹ́ ṣe pààrọ̀ ẹ̀yà ara ọmọ kan sí títí ẹ̀ ibẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ẹ̀ṣọ́ aláàbò ti ilẹ̀ UK ó ti gbà mú o ṣekún ó sì ń ṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ jà tẹ̀síwájú. Kúnlé Afọláyan ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí òpó abẹ́yẹfò rẹ̀ ó sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní ṣe rí gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ń ṣe lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà yìí tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ń jínigbé lọ́tún jínigbé lọ́sì wọ́n ń pààyàn lọ àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí ṣe yìí ó ní gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe yìí ó ní strategy ni ó ní gbogbo wọn náà lọ́mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ó ní ìjọba àná kò dájú tèní lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tèní kò dájú tàná lọ ó ní oníkálukú wọn àwọn náà ló ń ṣe wọ́n mọ bó ṣe ń ṣe tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ìjọba òní kó dàbí ìjọba tí ò dáa tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa ó ní wọ́n mọ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀nà tó máa gbé gbà tó jẹ́ pé a ó wá máa wo àwọn ìjọba tòní bíi ìjọba tó burú ni ìjọba tí ò dáa ni ṣé ti àná ó dájú tòní lọ ìjọba àná ẹ ti gbà pé gbogbo àwọn aburú tó ṣe ẹ wo èmi kàn mú sọ ẹ gbọ́ lẹ́nu Afọláyan fúnra rẹ̀ Kúnlé Afọláyan òun ló sọ ó tún pẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ lẹ̀ ẹ gbọ́.
Nigeria, the honest truth is I always try to figure out solutions in my head and also always try to work out things I feel I can do in my capacity to support the country, support the system, support humanity and all of that. But the honest truth is also seeing Lenu Otumbuyosi, like in this case, because especially in recent time, everything to ṣẹlẹ̀ kò sí tí ò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí. And what I have noticed is, you know, when people, I mean, because most of these things are politically motivated, when people want to bring down a government, that is when things like this happen. Is the current government doing what they should be doing? I don't think so. Are they doing half or quarter of what they should be doing? Not at all. But they're all the same thing. Atawanto Wambe and those that try to, those who contested and lost, is the same thing. And those moving from one party to the other is the same bunch of people. And the minute they have an agenda and they feel, look, let's disturb the peace of the people again, they create chaos. And personally, I feel that is why all of these things, that's why, because this minute they will announce, oh, they've kidnapped this, the next minute, government will intervene, and then one they want to rescue. But on rescue, did they arrest the, perpetrators? Did they, make any arrest at all? That would never be. I'm a bit of a shisha. Are we going to continue like that? I don't know. What is the solution? I don't know. Everybody will say, oh, get your voter's card and vote. Vote out the people you don't. Who are the people? It's all a bunch of the same people. The same people. It is worrisome. It is worrisome. And all I want to do is, I just want to pray for those who have been affected badly. And I want to also, the year is coming to an end. People have plans to travel. People have plans to celebrate. People have plans to rejoice, with family and all. When we move around, I pray that the Almighty God's protection will be upon all of us. I pray that we will never be part of, or we won't have shares in all of these things. Just like we normally would say, but at the same time, I think in our own individual capacity, whatever it is we can do to reduce or curb or